How to make your birth date public on Snapchat app. Hello and welcome back to Official Help Desk. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can publicize your birth date on your Snapchat account. So without any further ado, let us jump right into the process. Start by opening up your Snapchat app and make sure that you are logged into your Snapchat account. Now, in order to make your birth date public, tap onto your Bitmoji icon on your top left. Here, as you can see that I have made my birth date public, that means 7th of March. If you would like to do the same, tap on settings icon on your top right and go to birth date under my account. Here, check the box that says birthday party. As you do so, it will add a cake emoji icon next to your name, and all your friends will be able to see this emoji icon. If you would like to undo this action, then uncheck the box. As you do so, it will remove this date from your profile and your friends won't be able to see it. So that is all for today's tutorial. If you would like to see more videos on this topic, then do comment down below and we will get back to you soon with more tutorials like this. In the meantime, what you can do is like this video and subscribe to our channel. Also, don't forget to hit the notification bell to never miss an update from us. Lastly, thank you very much for watching the video till the very end. We will catch you up in our next upload.